Evolution is change over time. There are different patterns of evolution. The most known is divergent evolution, in which species that have a common ancestor become gradually different. If divergent evolution is seen on a smaller scale, then it is responsible for the evolution of humans and apes from a common ancestor. If seen on a larger scale, divergent evolution is like the tree of life. It is responsible for all the diversity of life on Earth. The species have been evolving into more species, which then evolve into even more species. Thanks to divergent evolution, we have all the different species we have now on Earth. This tree of life is always growing upward. There is no going back. So once a species becomes extinct, it will never return. Another pattern of evolution is convergent evolution. Converge means to come together. Species from different ancestors share similar traits or characteristics. This is due because they share a similar environment. For example, whales and penguins come from different ancestors, but they share a similar trait, which is the fin. This is because they both live in water. Two species will never become one, they just have similar characteristics. In conclusion, in convergent evolution, unrelated species develop characteristics that make them resemble one another. Another pattern of evolution is coevolution. In coevolution, species that live in close relationships to one another evolve to adapt to each other. For example, the giraffes and trees of the African savanna. First, there were small trees and giraffes with short necks. The giraffes ate the leaves of the small trees, so these trees died, leaving the tall trees, which reproduced. The giraffes couldn't reach the leaves, so they died. Giraffes with longer necks survived because they could reach the high branches. Coevolution can occur because of a predator-prey relationship, where the prey evolves to avoid the predator, and the predator evolves to be more fit and be able to eat the prey. However, coevolution is not only about predators and prey. For example, bees and flowers need each other to survive. This means that both populations will grow at an equal rate.